Hey everyone, this week we're going to be making mango and coconut chicken. Apologies for this being so late. I was not doing really well last couple weeks. So first off, we're going to put the boneless, skinless chicken thighs into a stock pot, add lard, turmeric powder, and salt. Once done, we're going to set that aside because we're going to move on to the mangoes. So now we are peeling and chopping up the mangoes. You want them in a nice little diced shape so that you can easily cook them. You may have noticed that the hands have changed. That is because I could not figure out how to cut a mango. So Brad stepped in. Luckily, he is very strong and is able to remove things as needed. So once the mango has been cut up, we're going to go ahead and start cooking the chicken. What you're going to do is put the stock pot on medium heat, and you want to brown both sides, but you don't want to fully cook them. So once the chicken is nice golden brown, you're going to go ahead and remove them, and you're going to replace instead in the oil the mango chunks. This is specifically to soften them out. You're going to add some ginger to it, and you want them to become kind of mushy. So once they've hit the proper level of soften, you'll notice because most of the oil is gone, you're going to go ahead and add the coconut milk, mix it in, you're going to put the chicken back in, and you're going to let this get to a boil. Once it's hit a boil, you're going to lower the heat down to like a low, kind of a simmer, pop the lid on, and you're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Finally, once it's done, you're going to remove the chicken again, and then you're going to take an immersion blender and just blend it all up together until it's this beautiful orange sauce. And they're going to serve that over the rice and it'll be ready to go. Everyone, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I've been a bit under the weather lately, so getting the recipe videos up has been kind of slow. I'm catching up on all of them. If you do like these videos and you want to see more, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it immensely, and it lets me know that you're actually enjoying these recipes. So have a great day.